In this activity, you are going to learn how to use markup to turn yourself into an elf. You will need the camera app and the Photos app. Use the camera app to take a selfie or ask a friend to help you. Start by opening Photos app on your iPad and then select the photo you want to change. In the top right-hand corner, click Edit and then click the button that looks like a circle with a pen inside. This is the markup tool. A small circle with a pen icon should pop up. Click on the circle to open up the Tools menu. Next, click on the pen tool and choose a colour. You can change the shade and the thickness of the pen by using the sliding bar. Think about the types of clothing your elf might wear, any accessories, and what you might see in the background. I'm going to draw a green elf tunic, and then I'm going to add some extra details. If I change the colour of my pen, I can add a thick black band and a bright yellow buckle to the tunic. I also want to add a red collar and cuffs to my elf's outfit. I'm also going to draw some stripy trousers. I'm going to use green as the base, and then I'm going to add some white stripes to them to make them look more authentic. The next thing my elf needs are some bright red boots. Finally, to complete my elf's outfit, I want to draw an elf hat using green, red, and then adding some white at the bottom for fur, along with a white pom-pom. I can also add some more details to my picture, like drawing a snowman at the side, but perhaps you might want to draw something different. When you're happy with your picture, click on Done to save it, and then click Done again for a second time, which will save your photos to your photo library. Your picture will now be saved in your photos with all your markups on it. You can share your picture by clicking the Share button in the top left corner and send it using a range of different apps. From everyone at Inspire Learning, we wish you a very Merry Christmas.